My name is Cliff Million. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a WordPress website with Hostinger. Click in the link below to go to Hostinger. And if you don't have a hosting yet, just get 20% off or more. Once you are in Hostinger dashboard, click in website. Then click in add website. Choose WordPress. Now you need to put your country and admin email and a password. Click in next when you finish. Now Hostinger want you choose one: business and service, online store, blog, portfolio, affiliate marketing site, order. I will choose business and service. Now click in next. Choose how you would like to build your website. Create a website with AI, pre-built website and theme. Okay, let's choose this. Click in next. Okay, now we get a load of theme. Let's look at some. Okay, I love this. Okay. Let's choose this one. But I would like to preview before. Everything looks good. Use this website. Click here. Add plugins to your site. Okay. I want Google Sitekit, email marketing. I don't want it. All-in-one SEO. I use Rank Max SEO, Rank Form. No. Okay. Click in next. Now you need to choose a domain. If you have a domain registered in Hostinger, you can use it here. But if you don't have a domain, you can use temporary domain, and after you can change this domain for a new domain. Okay? Now I will choose use temporary domain and starting WordPress. After a few minutes, the installation will finish. Now, ready to go, it's time to build your online success. The installation is finished. Everything is okay. Just close here, and now you can edit your website, change everything you want, and everything is gonna be okay. Container, the header, picture, and all other things. Clicking save here, view page. This is the page. Everything looks okay. Everything looks fine. Now you got your website. About me, let me see. Everything looks good. Review page, home. Now, if you love Divi or Elementor or plugins Pro for WordPress, you need Nipulage. Nipulage lets you launch your website in days, not weeks. The WordPress package with everything you need to quickly launch your website, SaaS or online store, and start generating revenue. To get Nipulage, you need to see what we have here: starter plan and lifetime plan. You get a complete website package, 1 year of update, pro plugins. The same here, but here in this moment, you have lifetime update, pro plugins too, and you have exclusive design package, premium template, additional plugins, pro team, WooCommerce Pro team, dedicated support, and exclusive community. To get this plan, you need to click and get Nipulage. Now, you need to put your name, your last name, your phone number, email, password, and check this and click Get Nipulage. Once you finish, go to your dashboard. In your account in Nipulage, you can come here and plugins include with Nipulage, and you can download all these plugin Pro to use in your website. Now you have Divi. You can click and download Divi in your computer. Just click and DV will be downloaded in your computer. If you need other plugins, for example, Admin Insight, Enhancement, Birderdog, Fluent Form, Fluent Support Pro, Fluent CRM, this is email marketing. MemberPress Pro with add-on Account Nav Tabs Pro, MemberPress Download Pro, MemberPress PDF Invoice, Rank Max SEO. This is very important, is the Pro version, Objects Plus, WordPress Security, and DV Team. If you go and the Pro plugins for lifetime plan user, you can get more plugins for affiliate plugins, WhatsApp, SEO and analytic plugins, e-commerce plugins. CatFlow is here, very good. Elementor, optimization and performance plugins, schedule and form, security and SSL. This is really simple security. And you have more inside of account knowledge, a bunch of themes and plugins. I will put all the link in the description to get access very quickly and launch your site today. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like.